This is an overview of the garden area. I'm going to put eventually 4 raised bed planters with some space in between that I can mow. So I've got the layout roughly. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and trench for the irrigation, and then we're going to build another planter to go there, and then we're going to fill them up with some soil, and we're going to plant a winter garden. So let's go. I'm going to tie into the water line here, then I'm just going to put 3/4 inch PVC in the trench. I'm going to go ahead and lay down some sprinkler valve wire as well. I may want to have more than one zone, so I'm going to go ahead and put a valve box somewhere around there, and that way I can have more than one zone if I wanted to. Just going to lay some PVC in the trenches, put some direct burial sprinkler cable in there, and then cover it up. We should be done. Okay, I've got most of my infrastructure in. I'm just finishing up right now. I'm going underground and I'm coming up into the above ground planters. So about another half hour here, I'll bury all the pipe and put caps on the ones I'm not going to use right now.